Hey everybody, it's Kira Boulan reporting from Little Farm. I've got some exciting news and updates on the farming track for the Organic Growers School Spring Conference this year. We've got a mix of new voices and perennial favorites from here in the Carolinas out to the Pacific Northwest. Leading off, Jason Rowland of Organically Rowland. Jason is a young, innovative farmer in Lexington County, South Carolina. He's telling the story of adapting his farm's business model during the pandemic to meet his customer needs. He's going to detail his production and marketing of specialty crops, sunchokes. He's also going to talk about the ways his farm has been an anchor and a support for his community during the crisis. Next up is Janine Davis of NC State Extension, teaching a workshop on forest farming. Janine is a good friend of OGS and a mainstay of the conference, in addition to being a longtime leader of organic horticulture in the mountain regions. She's won many awards as an educator and an author. Most farms in this area have forested land, and Janine and her team have done years of research growing forest medicinals. She wrote the definitive book, Growing and Marketing Ginseng, Golden Seal, and Other Woodland Medicinals. She's going to take us through production, processing, and financing of growing perennial, high-value understory crops in your farm woodland. And finally, last but not least, the third workshop is from our friend Josh Volk of Slow Hand Farm out in Oregon. Josh wrote the gorgeous and practical book Compact Farms and will soon come out with a new book on slow tools. We are so excited about that. He's developed many systems for small farm efficiency and profitability. Josh's workshop will walk us through the important but often ignored topic of ergonomics and tool selection. You're going to learn to keep your body healthy and make farming tasks more enjoyable. Also, we know that taking care of our bodies and of our workers is key to sustainability. So join us for Josh's workshop and all these other workshops. Start your farming season off right with ideas, information, and inspiration from these three awesome presenters. We'll see you there.
Hello and welcome to the Organic Growers School Spring Conference. In this portion of the farming track, we have Jason Rowland of Organically Rowland in Lexington, South Carolina. We'll be examining how to remain flexible and adaptive with your business model while dealing with the coronavirus pandemic. In this lecture, you'll learn how we switched our business model over from restaurants to a home delivery CSA and pickup CSA. We'll also talk about budget-friendly adaptations and resources for beginning farmers.
Hi folks, my name is Josh Volk. I've been a market farmer for a little over 20 years now. I'm also the author of Compact Farms, which profiles 15 farms under 5 acres and talks about what makes them successful. I've always been excited about learning from other farmers and then helping share that information so that farmers can take advantage of it. At the upcoming Organic Growers School this spring, I'm going to share what I've gleaned about ergonomics and efficiency on the farm. My background is in machine and tool design, and I have a degree in mechanical engineering. I've also spent a lot of my off-farm time learning about ergonomics and human mechanics through my interest in athletics and yoga. I'm going to try and bring all of that together for you in a workshop that uses examples from my own farm and shows the easy and replicable ways that I've selected tools and modified the systems to make them more usable. I hope you'll join me, and I look forward to the discussion after the presentation.